Hey guys, I just finished this project. Got tongue-tied. I just had acupuncture. Ouch. But it was totally worth it. Let me tell you, my lady is awesome. She does a great job. Anyway, just finished. It's beautiful. It's Orville Villa pavers in the Borrego Manor. Simple random pattern all the way up through there. Then also the courtyard wall. The courtyard wall is manor with a light manor cap to it. And then I use it for the steps, the rise, and then on top is the Villa pavers right there, right? So let me show you something else. Does this make sense? No, this does not make sense. This massive liquid amber tree has actually lifted the sidewalk so much, it's up 1.4 inches, 1 foot 4 inches over the normal height. I mean, is that a trip hazard? This is a trip hazard. When you see roots this big, it can't be good. It's going underneath the sidewalk, it's totally lifting it up. Oh, yeah, if you're skateboarding, quick ramp, wrong, broken teeth. You can also see how it's lifting the street. And they had a water main break up the way yesterday. Actually, this morning, 5 a.m. Anyway, if your roots are lifting up your street, it's gonna go after the water main. It's gonna cause problems, and guess what? It's your fault. Don't plant this massive tree next to a sidewalk, next to the street, and say, I wonder if it's a good idea. Long term, not a good idea. This was put in only about 17 years ago. And I mean, breaking up the street, not a good idea. Anyway, please send me your comments, ideas, and let me shoot something you might be interested in. And I'd love to comment on and mention you in the video. Anyway, thank you, Chris. You had a good idea about this one. Dave Pratt, I'm out.